This pancake is a delicious shipwreck. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making chickpea pancake. The legend says that a Genoese ship carrying chickpea flour and oil was caught in a violent storm, its cargo becoming soaked. Faced with limitless supplies, the sailors spread the wet mixture to dry, and the result was surprisingly tasty, the original shipwreck recipe. This vegan, gluten-free and eggless dish is made from a simpler batter of chickpea flour, water, salt and olive oil. Traditionally, cooked over a wood fire, these thin, savoury pancakes have become a cultural staple, enjoyed fresh and warm in markets, festivals and street corners. You'll find it called Farinata in Liguria, Cecina in Tuscany, Pannella in Sicily, and Socca in the south of France. Thanks to historic trade routes, this simple and hearty recipe journeyed across the Mediterranean, reflecting the strong connections of these coastal cultures. So simple you could make it in your own home. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the description below. As the batter needs to rest for approximately 10 hours at room temperature, you need to get started the day before. Sift the chickpea flour into a mixing bowl and add the salt. Gradually whisk in the water. At the beginning, you will likely have a lot of lumps, but keep stirring vigorously with a whisk and they will eventually go away as the flour fully incorporates. Once the batter is smooth and free of lumps, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Cover the bowl with cling film and let the batter rest overnight at room temperature or approximately 10 hours. When you're ready to serve, preheat your oven to 430 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 220 degrees Celsius. Generously grease your pan with olive oil, ensuring you coat the bottom and the sides thoroughly. A metal tart pan or cast iron skillet works perfectly. Metal pans are important here because they conduct heat exceptionally well and can handle the high oven temperatures required. This excellent heat condition is key to achieving farinata's characteristic golden edges and crispy texture. Pour the rested batter into the prepared pan. You can adjust the thickness of the layer depending on your preference. For a thinner, crispier farinata, pour just enough batter to coat the pan evenly. This will bake up very crisp, especially around the edges, with a delicate interior. For a thicker, chunkier texture in the middle, use more batter. For example, 3 ladles for an 11-inch pan. This will result in a pancake that is still crispy on the outside, but has a softer, more tender and slightly chunkier texture in the middle. You can also make a more flavorful version by adding herbs to the batter, especially chopped rosemary or thyme. Just sprinkle finely chopped herbs evenly over the batter before placing it into the oven. Bake in the oven for 15 minutes or until the farinata is golden and crisp around the edges. Intense heat is key to the perfect texture, so make sure the oven is very hot. Remove from the oven and place into a warm serving dish. Slice into strips or wedges and serve immediately while warm. In Liguria and Tuscany, it's eaten on its own, cut into slices or wedges, served in a paper bag and enjoyed as a quick snack on the go. In Sicily, Pannella is often served inside a bread roll, transforming it into a hearty and portable sandwich. At home, farinata can also be served with sauces or dips, or used as a wrap to hold favourite fillings like vegetables, cheese or cured meats. For more street food recipes, check out the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. What if I add some cheese?